Hey everyone, this is Shannon again. Um, anyway, I wonder how you guys are doing today. I don't know what the fuck to talk about, in my honest opinion, I don't know if I know what to talk about right now. I came up with a new story idea called "Never Quit Again," and it's basically about a girl that always quit on everything. She always quit her schoolwork, her job. She would quit things in college. I mean, she quits a lot of things, and she gets relentlessly picked on by her peers. She gets picked on by her friends. She gets picked on by her parents. She gets picked on by everybody. So naturally speaking, what the fuck am I talking about? So basically, you can understand what's gonna happen. She's gonna go. But seriously though, I'm not a Harry Potter fan. But seriously though, the girl goes completely insane. I haven't started writing the book yet. In all honesty, I haven't been able to write shit yet. In the most recent past. But this video is kind of random. You guys are gonna come to understand that I am a random guy. I'm very random. I mean, you get to know me, and I get comfortable around you. You're gonna see just how fucking weird I am. And I talk to myself a lot. Now, some people will call me crazy, but I don't give a fuck. Mm-mm. You all, if anyone hates on me, just suck my ass. But in all seriousness, I'm done fucking with you guys. I hope you guys have a good day.